What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please make sure to push that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell to get a shout out at the end of my video. All you gotta do is turn on the post notification bell and be the first to comment. Now today I am here to pick up my Nelson because he finally got some side splitters. So I'm so excited to see him and I'm ready to take him home. So today I brought Sweat, but she's not feeling very well because she got the vaccine, the vid vaccine. Look at her. Look at her.
Estoy malita.
¿Qué le dices a un tamal que está mal?
Pues que es un tamal.
No. Está malito.
Está maldito.
My car back. It looks freaking nice. It looks so nice. I cannot wait to show you guys. But before I show you guys, I need to wash my car first. And I'm at my mother's house right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car and then I'll show you guys the side skirts. Now let's get it. Oh my god, what are those? Do a dance. Hey, hey. She's freaking pig musk. She's freaking chimichanga musk. She created pajamas that keep your feet warm and you don't have to wear socks. Freaking chimichanga musk. I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to the canyons. Hopefully they're open. Last time it rained, it was 2 days ago. So I'm hoping that it's not too crazy up there. You know, no major rocks up there. Canyon is closed. No! Now what we've all been waiting for. Can I get a beat drum? Ta-da! Look at this. I feel like it completes Nelson. Like there was something, oh my god, I spit all over my camera. There was something that was missing on Nelson, and I feel like that is what it was. Look at it. And you guys remember what I said in the last video, right? Warning, warning, do not step on the side skirt, man. I'm actually the first person to own these beautiful side splitters. They look freaking amazing. All I'm gonna do is I'm thinking about painting the little bolts just so it all looks black. But honestly, I love how it looks right now, and I'm honestly super happy with it. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? This is why Nelson was gone for over 2 weeks. No, not even 2 weeks actually. I think it was less than 2 weeks. I think it was like a weekend. I don't remember, but I think he did this pretty fast. My favorite part about this is the freaking little side vents right here. Like, look how beautiful that looks. It just makes it look so aggressive. I'm gonna go ahead and take some photos for you guys. I guess there was a mudslide or something when it started raining, so we weren't able to take them up there, but next time. All right, time for some photos. So that's pretty much it for the side splitters. They look freaking amazing. If you guys are interested in getting your own, you guys can go ahead and check it out on Crown Carbon and Crafting, their website, or you can go ahead and check them out on Instagram because they're gonna be releasing sometime this week. So stay tuned for that. I cannot wait for you guys to get a hold of them because they look freaking nice. They look freaking nice, and we'll be freaking twins. We'll be twinsies. If you guys do end up getting them, send me a picture through DMs or anywhere. I can't wait to see them on your card too. Today it was supposed to rain, and it kind of did rain earlier, but it dried up. And I wanted to do some drift. I wanted to drift for you guys. So I'm still gonna go ahead and take you guys. We're gonna go to a spot and I'm gonna be sliding a bit. So let's just hope that I do not mess up the side splitters because I'm about to go slide it. I'm gonna go whip that hoe. Ah, cute. Que chula. Que chula. Sugar. Oh my gosh. Crazy. She's a crazy bird. The last time I wanted to slide Nelson, it was raining and I didn't have him with me. I didn't have him in my possession. So I'm taking today to take Nelson to go slide just a bit, you know. See if I still got it, man. See if I still got it. I want to show you what I got. Probably not gonna be the best because I'm a little rusty. Let's go and find out. Oh, Sweater. I just saw Sweater right now. I just saw her pass by. Man, we need it to rain again so I can go sliding. I've been putting it aside, but I gotta replace the knock sensor on Nelson. It just idles weird, you know? Like you could just feel it. You can't really hear it. So I was trying to, what the heck? I think there's a car meet around here because there's a bunch of cars. I usually slide this spot right here, but I can't do that today because then I'll freaking crash into their cars. All right, but this is, I'm gonna show you guys what I was gonna do. So basically I was gonna be driving here, you know, boom, 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 boom. And then I was gonna go boom, and then I was gonna go but then I was gonna hit that car, boom, and then hit that cousin, boom. And yeah, wait, what the heck is this? I'm leaving, but like, what's going on? So I just remembered that there's this place, and this place is a beautiful space to practice at. I'm just gonna be looking around, see if there's any like cops around here or anything like that. By the looks of it, you can tell already that there's a lot of cars by. It's not dangerous because I'm not gonna be going near them, but you know how people are, they just don't like it. So I'm only gonna be sliding a little bit, just a little tiny bit, because you know some people might be little rats and they might snitch on me. So I'm only gonna do a few and then I'm gonna skedaddle out of here before they call the cops on me. You guys I was rusty. I'm gonna try that one more time because I feel like I didn't get enough angle and I don't know, I didn't really like it. So I'm gonna do it one more time and then we're gonna scram. I'm gonna do it again. low-key worse than the first one. I feel. For being rusty, I feel like I didn't do that bad, you know? Thankfully, it's just around my house, so I'm like, I'm skedaddling out of there. On a 1 through 10, I would rate those maybe a 4 out of 10. It's more fun when you can actually do it in peace, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and practice olling up a curb. It's been about a week that I've been trying to get it down, and honestly, I have not gotten it down yet. Like, my foot keeps slipping out. I cannot keep my foot on the board to save my life, and it's literally so annoying. And like, literally, I'll land on it and I'll slip away. Like, I'll freaking slip off. Like, I felt quite a few times trying to stay on it. It's just really bad. So hopefully today is the day that I actually get it down, and you guys will be here supporting. Let's go ahead and give it a try, guys. Hopefully I get it down. Fingers crossed. Make sure to comment a skateboard emoji if you guys made it this far. I'm gonna show you my ollie, watch. I'm just a little wuss when it comes down to like lines and stuff. Like, it throws me off. I'm just kidding. My piece of wood. This is not my skateboard, it's a piece of wood. Oh! Again. Just realized I didn't pop and I thought I made it. Oh, no. I'm legit overthinking it. It's just like a little tiny curve. I could ollie. Just can't do it off a curve or onto a curve yet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! That was my first one ever. I've never done that before. Like, I've done it before, but I didn't pop, so it didn't really count. This is my first time ever in history. Please comment down a piece of wood. Thank you. I'd like to thank all my Chuuuki gang supporters. Now I'm actually gonna try to ollie up of it. Up it. Oh my gosh, I could have done that. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. Okay, at least I stuck it. It's coming back to bite me. Look, he's coming back to bite me. He said, do it again. Do it again. Unfortunately, I didn't get to land the ollie going up the curve. I'm gonna be practicing tonight, and hopefully I'll have more confidence to do it because I just can't do it yet. My leg keeps going off and I'm being a little wuss. Oh my gosh, look at the mountains. Look how beautiful that looks. Whoa, that looks so beautiful. I just want to go over there. Anyways, if you guys made it this far, please make sure to drop the skateboard emoji, and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Patreon shout out goes out to King Bunny, and post notification shout out goes out to Clown FN. Thank you guys so much. If you guys want a post notification shout out, all you gotta do is turn on your post notification bell and be the first to comment. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.
Chopper right beneath me. 8K with the fucking bean, yeah, 3B, smoking on that BG.